Oh. So, it's a wintry day today. So I'm going to feed the chickens. I can't see the cows today. I'm glad we put that hay out for them yesterday. Right, so what we've got here is, this is for the chickens anyway. We've got some bread, and in there, that's wild bird seed and chicken feed in there, and some fresh water. So I'm going to put half of that in there. Yeah, half of that in there, half of that in there. Okay, and a little mix round, mix. And I'm going to put some of this out for the wild birds as well. So, gosh, it's so thick, look. Oh, word. So I'll put some of this in there. That's for the wild birds. Hopefully they'll see it. Well, to be honest, they should do, because we always put a bit there, to be honest, so they know where to look. Right. Okay. Oh, gosh. Well, they didn't come out much at all yesterday. I can't see again. There we go. Okay. Come on then, girls. Come on then. Come on then. Come on then. Come on then, girls. Hello. Come on then. 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 Let's shake this food for them. Give them a bit of encouragement. Come on then. Come on then. Come on then. Come on, it'll be fine. I'm seeing that to go. I'm really hungry. Come on then. Because only the brown one came out yesterday. The others didn't come out. I know. Come on then, girls. I think what we'll do is we'll put one inside then. Let's put it inside. Go on, Mum. They must be really, really thirsty. There you go. How's that? Okay. We'll put one there. Okay. And we'll put one there. And I'll throw some round as well. Okay, how's that? Because you really don't want to come out, do you? Is that better? Okay. Right then. Enjoy. See you in a bit. So there you go. Chickens don't like the snow. Well, the hatch is open anyway. They'll come out in a bit, I'm sure. Okay, hope you enjoyed that. I'll see you in the next video, eh? Bye. Got my Tesco thing. I don't think people will get off away. Oh dear. I hope everybody stays safe anyway. Take care.